again. I'm Eric.
I'm Paul.
This is our YouTube channel. We're gonna do some magic shit.
Well, basically we're a new channel and we just decided we would record things that interested us and things that we like to do. And this is one of the things that we like to do, which is make something out of nothing.
Out of old stuff and like reuse shit.
What is the nothingness you have here?
Today I found a cable spool. It was actually just appeared magically.
Hey, this truck like it's getting ready to move here. I couldn't see if it was him or not. See if we can get a little surveillance. Hey, can you stay with Philippe real quick, Lawrence?
Let me see. Hold on. Stand by. I'm gonna be off the air for just a minute. Now I gotta go inside to see if they have one available. Hold on.
That's clear. Alright, he's gonna be going east on Palestine here.
I got him.
Said you got him, Jackie?
Yeah, I'm paralleling him.
Turn it around here. He's on Palestine. He went through Akron. Looks like he's gonna make it.
You didn't steal it from anyone.
Well, yeah. But here it is. It's amazing. It's a K900, which means it's 900 millimeters in diameters.
Yep.
I have some plans with this thing. I want to shorten it down by 130 millimeters. I have these wheels I bought on IKEA for like 20 kroners.
20 kroners, what is that in money that other people know about?
It's not a lot.
It's about $3 maybe?
20 pounds. No, it's not.
20
It's 2 pounds.
I was gonna say, man, you got really ripped off if those cost you 20 pounds. I mean, yeah.
Anyway, the first thing I'm gonna do, actually the first thing I could do is drill holes for these, because I want these sunk into the table. I need to remove these 4 screws holding the whole construction together. Then I need to cut it, but I need to cut it first before I remove these.
Okay, we're back and we've decided how we're going to start with this. First of all, we're going to perform a deconstruction so we can see how this thing's put together and decide how we're going to reassemble it as our table. Okay, so that's the table spool deconstructed. So what do we need to do next to create this table?
Well, first of all, I need to cut these into the right height. These will be too long, so I need to outsource them or cut them and make new threads, which is a bitch. But I'll figure something out. These I can reuse. They're perfect. Everything here is workable.
Okay.
Okay, this is the second part of the build. This will involve some TIG welding, but you can easily make these in wood if you want to. I want to TIG weld them because I'm a TIG welder, and I got those kind of resources, so I made it in steel. I've already bent this to have the curvature I want, and I made these pieces pre-drilled. And I'll TIG weld them in this jig I made specifically for this purpose. So, let's start building. Now I have to let it sit and cool for 10 minutes.
Dude, look what you've accidentally made.
I'm now gonna attach these brackets to the table You see, I put one up there just to see what it looks like. I'm gonna put one back here and one here, so it'll be 3 brackets pulling the table downwards and inwards. So it's like tensioning the whole construction. I thought of that myself. I'm very proud.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start attaching now.
Okay, YouTube, we came to the end of the project, and I just wanted to round this video off with a little bit of a review, maybe explain some of the things we missed in the video itself, and just to round it off, if you know what I mean, just to make sure we covered everything. I'd also like to discuss what was liked about it, and what we disliked about it, and how we can improve it for the next time. So I'm going to get the project leader over here, Eric, to answer a few questions of mine. I have written for him. So, are you satisfied with the result of this project?
I am, considering this was a very... this wasn't going to have another life. It was going to be discarded. And I managed to save it. And it fits perfectly in my living room. It stores all my DVDs, although they're... yeah. We don't use DVDs anymore. It looks good though. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. The surface I felt came out really nice. Maybe I'll make it a little bit darker in the future. I have this tube that I made for storing whatever, remote controls or...
In the video, we didn't see how you put on the wheels and why you put on the wheels. Can you explain to me the usefulness behind the wheels?
Yeah. Well, the wheels have come in very handy. Say if I'm sat down on the sofa, relaxing, watching TV, and the remote control is all the way on the other side of the table. I mean, we've all been there, right? I can just like turn it around.
Ah, thanks, man.
It's so genius. And then I could just take the remote without having to get up or anything.
Let's talk a little bit more of how you managed to make this table so sturdy, because I remember when we started this project, even though it was all bolted together, you could twist the top without twisting the bottom. So how did you make it so sturdy?
It was very loose, yeah. Because you can see now, I removed the bolts completely. I don't need them because of this ingenious thing. I welded on. I mean, if you don't have a welding machine, you can find a different way to do it.
Or you can rent one.
Yeah, you can. It takes some skills.
Maybe in the future you might want to do some teaching on that.
I could do that. But, yeah.
You can see about that.
It's simple, it's...
It requires less parts than the original method as well, which this is what I like, because I am very keen on making things use as little parts as possible. And I'm also very satisfied about the finish of this table. It's so smooth.
It is.
And what did we use again to make it like this?
We used beeswax. It's actually waterproof as well.
It's just natural wax that comes from beehives.
So I've spilled things on this and it just wipes it off, comes off with no problem. So,
and it has a lovely smell as well.
Yeah. We can send samples out for you guys if you're interested. It's like being in nature.
It's like having one of those car fresheners in your house all the time.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I think we're done, Eric. I'd like to say thank you to explaining these things for the channel.
Thank you guys for
watching.
watching.
Thank you YouTube, and thank you for watching. And please look out for some more videos. that we might be doing. We have a lot of ideas for projects and a lot of other videos, so we're hoping to have a lot of content soon.